turn on. Turn it on, turn it on, turn it on. And the lights turn on. Thank you. Wow. It's time for a song for little Bob. What is Herbie doing for Christmas? What is Herbie doing? He's decorating the Christmas tree. What is Herbie doing? He's writing a letter to Santa. What is Herbie doing? He's making a snowman. What is Herbie doing? He's drawing a picture. He's making a gift for his mommy. What is Herbie doing? He's reading a book. What is Herbie doing? He's sleeping. What is Herbie doing? He's opening a present. What is Herbie doing? He's playing with a toy train. Why is Herbie smiling? He's so happy that it's Christmas. The end.